New Realme Narzo 70 Pro teaser, promises less bloatware, Sony IMX890 sensor. The upcoming Realme Narzo 70 Pro will have fewer pre-installed apps. To put a specific number on it, there will be 65% fewer pre-installed apps. In fact, this is such an important feature that Amazon India's landing page for the phone advertises it at the very top. We hate bloatware, and we know that you do too. Realme has listened to users and is making an attempt to cut that back. Additionally, Amazon and the Narzo team polled users and found that the Sony IMX890 is one of the most wished-for sensors, and that is exactly the sensor they picked for the phone. The IMX890 is a 50MP January 1st 56-inch sensor commonly found on high-end phones and some older flagships. It will be paired with optical image stabilization (OIS) for better shots, especially in the dark. And, of course, the larger sensor gathers more light. For reference, the Narzo 60 Pro has a 100MP OmniVision sensor, also with OIS. This will be the first phone in the 30,000 Indian rupees segment that combines the IMX890 with OIS, according to the company. The Realme Narzo 70 Pro will also support air gestures. These are 10+ gestures that allow you to navigate the UI at a distance and will be available in third-party apps too, not just the Realme interface. Another result from the survey is that users prefer glass backs, which will be adopted on the new model too. The 60 Pro had either a plastic back or eco-leather. The Realme Narzo 70 series will be announced later this month in partnership with Amazon. You can follow the source link below for the Amazon landing page or check out this one on realme.com.